Fresh products are what keep businesses fruitful and allow startup businesses to get over the hump. There are a lot of ways to generate fresh product ideas. Consultants frequently charge a sizable fee to brainstorm product ideas for businesses. But anybody may generate fresh product ideas for free by being observant and creative and merely asking for them. Observe what's around you and what's been done previously. Consider the products you use daily, whether in your business or at home. What may be made better? What are you passionate about? If there's a product that you find to be crucial to your day, analyze its basic elements. What does the product lack? By filling in these blanks, you've got product ideas. Think creatively about pre-existing products. For instance, combining two pre-existing products may produce a wealth of fresh product ideas. Think about a paperclip and a stapler. A stapler works by a feeding mechanism that pushes the staples ahead and a different mechanism that utilizes pressure to press the staplers through paper. One patented device takes the mechanics of a stapler and applies it to paper clips. To make an auto paper clip dispenser, these product ideas don't have to be confined to the business and office environment. Combining genres, particularly those that seem contrary to each other, is a great way to evolve fresh product ideas. Ask for product thoughts from buyers. Staying in touch with buyers is an excellent business practice. It makes your buyers feel valued and increase the chances of them utilizing your service or product again. But many businesses give buyers the chance to communicate with passive statements like, "Tell us how we're doing," or "Send comments or interests here." Instead, be particular about the input you want. Invite buyers to provide you ideas about what sort of products they'd like you to offer, or improvements they feel may be made to existing products. You can also get good ideas from ClickBank top products. Go to ClickBank at http://www.clickbank.com and go to featured products. Choose your area of passion and see what you could improve on or add to. Or go to JVZoo at http://www.jvzoo.com and mouse over Marketplace and choose Top Sellers. Click on any of these products to see what they are about. Do your research and understand what you are good at, what you can add in a particular niche, or what is missing. Next, we will look at how to plan your sales funnel.